Yeah, this is insane, guys. It's a modded ++ version. That's just how it works. So you can see right here, I just added. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you to get Webtoon++. It's a modded version of the app that enables coins to be free in the shop. It works on both iOS and Android. It's super cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So you can see right here, it looks like normal Webtoon kind of, but basically when you go over here, guys, you can go ahead and get coins completely for free. So you can see right here, I only have 220, but if I go ahead to buy some, you're going to see something really cool. So these are all the different amounts of coins that you can go ahead and purchase, and you can see they're all free. But I'm going to show you more proof than that. I'm actually going to buy some, so this is insane. So let me just do this. I'm going to do this amount, 500. Let's do it. And give it a second to load here. And as you can see, boom, it worked. So this is insane. I can do it as many times as I want. I mean, this is just insane. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. It does work on both iPhone and Android, so it doesn't matter what phone you got. This is insane. So you can see, look, it actually worked. So I can do any amount. You can do it like as many times as you want to, which is just super cool. So yeah, this is insane, guys. It's a modded ++ version. That's just how it works. So you can see right here, I just added a bunch. So yeah, this is really, really cool. So let's get right into the guide, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do. So basically, guys, what you want to do if you want to get this on your device is go ahead and go to this amazing site. So let me just go ahead and go to my browser. You can see right there, Webtoon++. That's what the ++ app looks like. So basically, let me just go over here. And the site you want to go to is called apphat.co. It has a ton of amazing mods for apps and games. If it's a particular app or game you want to download, I recommend going to the search bar and searching it up, because this site has a ton of different mods for apps and games. So I'm going to go up to the search bar and type in Webtoon++. Let me do that right here. You can see it pops right up, and you just want to go ahead and press on it. Press the button that says Start Installation. It's going to show you a progress bar. As long as you have a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take too long. But stay with me till the end of the video, because there are more steps. So you can see it says downloading. All right, installing. Give it a second. Okay. All right, unpacking. So the final message should be like setting up final stage, I think. So let's give it a second to load. As you can see, okay, starting installation. All right, almost done. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go, setting up final stage. So that's the final one. So then, guys, what it will do is it will redirect you to this site, and basically just to keep the service free, you have to go ahead and download 2 of these apps. Complete instructions, they're completely free. They're from the official App Store or Play Store, depending on what phone you're using. So yeah, it's super insane. You don't have to buy anything in these apps. They're all free. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. You just pick 2 of them. So for this one, Quick Thoughts, tap to install. Look different for on iOS, but you can see it's taking me over to the Play Store right now. So let's give it a second to load. And boom. So yeah, these are all from the official Play Store, as you can see. So yeah, this is insane. So I'm just going to show you guys one more. So let me just go ahead and go back. And I don't know, which one do I want to do? There's a bunch. I'm going to do, let's see, this one, Flash Rewards. So you press tap to install, takes you straight over to the Play Store. Just download the app's complete instructions, and you will get yourself the Webtoon++. So it's really, really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely go ahead and share this with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. I can't believe it, guys. Super cool. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.